Well, now I know that this little fella runs because it started for a couple of seconds, but it doesn't seem to be getting gas. I'm going to deal with that later and move on to this thing. This is a focus, stupid cunt. Anyway, you can't see it because my camera won't focus, but it's a Pioneer made in Vancouver, Canada. Look at that. The plug wire comes right out the side. Okay, cool. Oh. That was pretty easy. Plug doesn't look too bad. Okay. Let's test for spark. Well, found out something new about this thing. There's an ignition switch. It's not getting the best spark in the world, but some spark is better than none. So I'm going to clean that plug up. Well, since the plug is so far in the hole is, I need a hose or something to fish down in there, so I think this will do just fine. Through the magic of editing, I'm done priming that thing, and I'm glad I don't use it on a regular basis. I guess if I did, I wouldn't need to prime it. Alright, here. Oh. You cock. I'm going really fast to get. There, two. Try filling it up with gas and then starting it. Think it'll start again? Nope.